What's going on, you guys? Hope you guys had a great Monday, a great weekend as well. If you guys are in the stock market, you guys are definitely excited for Mondays because it's an opportunity to make money. Today, all I have is this option open on TNA. So I'm up right now 68% or $147. And the way that this works right here, if you guys watched the wheel option video that I had posted over the weekend, basically what I did was I sold a contract that basically said if the stock market price is below $29, I will buy the shares for $29 each. And each contract holds 100 shares, so I'd have to buy 100 of it. That's why my collateral right here is 2,900, so that if I do have to buy them, I will have the money for it. But because I sold the contract, I actually got paid to sell the contract. So I sold a contract for $215. So as soon as I did that, $215 got added to my buying power, and then $2,900 got put into collateral, or basically a holding account, just in case I have to buy the shares. And then if I don't have to buy the shares, I collected my $215 and I get my $2,900 back, and I can do this whole process over again. And right now, the reason why it says that I'm up 68% is because this contract currently is only worth $68. And basically what that means is when I decided to sell the contract was worth $215. But because TNA went up $2.16 today, and we're getting closer and closer to the expiration date, the value of that contract went down. So if I decided to sell this contract today, I would only get paid $68 versus when I sold it on Friday, it was $215. So just over the weekend alone, the price of this contract went down by $147. So I made $147 just today on this. But at the end of the day, I didn't really make it because I still have this contract open. So TNA could always fall down, and then the price of this contract will go up, or vice versa. If this goes higher, the contract will go down. And I have two options at this point. I can either let the contract ride out until October 2nd, which is when this contract expires. And depending where TNA is at, I either have to buy 100 shares or I don't. Or what I could do is close this contract early by buying the contract back. So I sold it for $215. Right now I could buy it for $68, and I would have made $147 in total, which is basically the difference. And if we get closer and closer to the date, this contract will get more worthless, basically. The value of this contract will go down. So if I wanted to, I could just buy it back and just be like, I'm okay making this much money, and I'll just buy another contract and just keep doing that process over. So that's basically where I'm at today. Tomorrow, I am going to make another video of me actually executing a credit spread. So if you saw the credit spread video I made over the weekend, basically I trade the SPY, which is an ETF that tracks the S&P 500. And the S&P 500 basically tracks 500 large cap and mid cap companies, including companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, Johnson & Johnson, a whole bunch. 500 companies basically, and great companies. So they're not like companies you've never heard of. And basically, it's just basically like its own portfolio of those companies. And I do it on there because you can do 3 contracts per week, and this doesn't move too much. Right now it's kind of crazy because of the whole correction that's going on this month. As you can see, it's been going down. But if you remember in that video, we were right here when I was making that video, and I said I'm predicting it to either go down here to this line or go up to this orange line, and we're actually sitting directly on that orange line. So now what I'm going to do is tomorrow on Tuesday, I'm just going to watch this and see where it goes, if it goes up and down. I'm actually expecting it to hit this line right here. This is my line of support, and if it doesn't hit that line, then it's going to come down, and I'm going to guess that it's going to hit this yellow line. And depending on where it is in the last 15, 20 minutes of market close is when I'll decide what kind of spread I'm going to get on it, or I'm going to put on it. So if you go back to trading options on the SPY, if this price is up at 338 at 12:30 tomorrow, Tuesday, Then I'm gonna buy a put spread somewhere down here, and basically I'm just looking for that 90%. So once I find that 90%, I'm gonna place my put spread. I don't really care how much money I'm getting for it because I'm trying to be in here for the long run. So I'm not chasing, the high credit, because you're just risking $100 for, like 15, 20 bucks. Down here, you're risking $100 for 7, but look at the chance of you making that $7 versus if you do it up here. 84 might sound great and all, but if you saw here, this thing moved $5.50 basically in one day. So if we did this right here, this put spread, if I go down $5, that's basically $3.29. $3.29, it says I have an 82% chance of winning, of actually making the money that I get on this spread. Let's just pretend like we're gonna get this. So $16, right? I have an 82% chance of making $16 on this spread, which sounds amazing, It doesn't sound that risky at all. But the way that this thing's moving $5 at a time, it's very, very, very possible that this could happen overnight. So, 90% chance, I don't see it moving more than $9 in a day. And if it does, it's not gonna happen overnight. It's gonna happen, overnight plus the entire trading day. So you have chances to get out and not lose your 100. And basically I want to make a video showing you guys exactly how this works so that you guys can see all the rewards from it and all the risks from it and how to handle it so you don't lose money, you make money, and be consistent over time and just grow your account slowly, little by little. Like I said, we're in this for the long run. And at the end of the day, once all my debt's paid off, I'm going to have a very nice portfolio to play with, and basically I should be able to retire a lot earlier than normal because I'm slowly growing this account. And by the time I'm done paying my debt, this account should be so high that when I do my selling premium options, like on here, and I go right here, I might be able to buy 2 or 3 of these contracts at a time. So if I'm selling 2 of these, 3 of these, I'm making $200-300 a week. You know what I'm saying? That's beautiful. It's a part-time job without even leaving my house. And I can do this on my phone, so I don't even have to get out of bed to make $200 or $300 a week, which is amazing. And that's basically my game plan. My goal is to pay off my debt slowly, little by little, but do it faster than if I was just to pay all the minimums. And by the time all my debt's paid off, this account is going to be nicely set up for, more money. So just stay tuned. Tomorrow, another video is posted, me entering a credit spread, showing you guys how I make money, what collateral actually is, and all that good noise. So I hope you guys had a good day. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.